I'm going to show you how to replace a watch band. I've actually already replaced half of this. I took this one off of this watch. I don't like non-stretchy bands. I like the stretchy ones. Here's my old watch, which finally died, and so I'd removed the strap from that side and just want to make sure everything fit on this new one. This is the new watch. So I have a set of small screwdrivers. There's four straights and 2 Phillips. These are kind of known as jeweler's screwdrivers. But what I need to do is there's a pin in here. I don't want to take that one out. I need to take this one out. And this one's kind of hidden by the strap. But I need to get down in there. I'll do it left hand so you can see it, hopefully. And I need to push that. It's spring loaded, so it's pushing out. I need to try and get that. And then there's a small hole. There we go. Small hole in here and here. And then here's the pin. That holds the band on. You can see it's spring loaded. And I saved those for future use, so that's off. And now I need to remove this band from the old watch, and that's the same thing. It's that pin that's spring loaded. That side doesn't want to move. Try this side. They can be really cantankerous. And I'm using a small straight screwdriver. Now I'm going to work on that and get that out. And I got that out, and it shot across the room. Usually what happens. So now, there's the old watch. And then now, put this pin into the new one. Line up one side, the hole. Oh, the other side came out. I think it'd be easier to do than it is, but it's putsy work. I just don't like the cooperate. Oops. Well, you get the idea. I'm gonna. Well, let's see here. I'll work on that, put it in. And I finally got it. So there's the new watch. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.